Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that every trader wrestles with, mindset. As traders, we all dream of pulling in big consistent profits, don't we? That's what it's all about, right? But there's a secret weapon that most overlook, a weapon that doesn't even directly involve profits. I'm talking about mechanical trading systems, and before you dismiss them as rigid robots, hear me out. Forget the fancy algorithms for a second. The real power lies in how they shape your mind. So let's rewind a bit. You may be asking, what is a mechanical trading system and why would I need it? Well, it's simply a set of predefined rules that guide your trading decisions. Forget gut feeling, forget hunches. You rely on objective criteria like price movements, indicators, and data to make your decisions. It's like having a personal trading compass navigating the markets with logic and not emotions. But why go through the effort? Profits, right? Well, yes, eventually. But the true magic lies in developing a proper trader's mindset. Remember, successful and sustainable trading isn't about predicting the future, it's about managing risk and navigating uncertainty. And that brings us to the four horsemen of every trader's nightmare. First up, the fear of being wrong. This is where you doubt your analysis and you second guess every trade. Even though you've done the hard work and completed your research, you're still not confident buying it when it comes to pull the trigger. Next is the fear of losing money, where every trade feels like a gamble and anxiety constantly clouds your judgment. After that is the fear of missing out. You know those times where you see others win big and you read about how the markets are just flying along while your profits are feeling a little stagnant and you're not sure why? And lastly is the fear of leaving money on the table. Letting a profitable trade close too early can sting. But a system helps you set profit stop levels, ensuring that you lock in wins while protecting yourself against greed. Without a system to tell you when to exit, it's easy to get stuck holding on well after you should have sold because you were haunted by the what ifs. Instead of making more money, you give a bunch of your profit back, and there's nothing worse than that. Sound familiar? These fears can paralyze even the most seasoned trader. But here's where the mechanical system steps in. It forces you to confront these fears head on. Initially, you define your risk. Even before you begin trading, you're setting out a plan where you predefine entry, exit, stop loss, and take profit levels. So you always know exactly how much you're willing to risk and nothing is left to chance. This allows you to remove your emotions, so you're never swayed by gut feeling. You hold strong and you stick to your rules even when your emotions scream otherwise. With a mechanical system, you learn to accept losses too. Losses just become part of the game and they're no longer personal failures. You learn from them, take it on the chin, knowing full well they're part of your edge in the market, and you just move on when you have a loss. And then once you've gotten all those in place and you're confident, you simply focus on the process. You become emotionally detached from the outcome and you focus solely on executing your system flawlessly. It's like training your mind to become a disciplined warrior in the market arena. You learn to embrace uncertainty, control your emotions, and make decisions on logic, not fear. Now, I'm not saying that mechanical systems are foolproof. They have limitations and the market can always surprise you, but they offer a structured framework to build your trading foundation. Think of it like building a house. You wouldn't just wing it building a house, right? You'd need a blueprint and a plan. A mechanical system is your trading blueprint, guiding you through volatile storms and helping you weather any market condition. So if you're serious about becoming a successful trader, don't just chase profits, invest in your mindset. Explore mechanical systems, find one that resonates with you, and use it to forge your own path as a disciplined, fearless investor. Remember, knowledge is power, and the power to control your emotions is the ultimate trading advantage. So if you want to start on the process of controlling your emotions and become a confident, successful trader for a lifetime, download the free ebook in the comments. It's called From Flustered to Unflappable Trading by Gary Stone and covers all the stuff that I've just mentioned, plus a whole lot more. You're also welcome to call and speak with me directly if you want to see how our mechanical trading systems, SPA3 Investor and SPA3 Trader work on a day-to-day basis. I'm always happy to have a chat and lend a hand. So I hope you found some value in this video. Hit that like button and subscribe for more trading insights if you did find value. While you're there, you might want to check out my recent video on NVIDIA and why we're currently holding it through this epic run that they're having, or the fun one I recently did on Taylor Swift and how she indirectly moves markets with her Eras World Tour. More importantly, there's also Gary's What's Up with the Markets. This is a great video where he took a detailed look at the markets around the world and where they currently stand. So as a trader, you can make some decisions about what you're going to do next in the market. And remember, as always, this video is for education purposes only and shouldn't be taken as advice to buy, hold or sell any particular instrument in the market, and that past performance is not a true indication of future performance. Until next time, when I show you around the markets again, I wish you consistent and objective trading. Bye for now.